Hello everyone. I am here to present my project on suicide post-detection. Introduction. Suicide might be considered as one of the most serious social health problems in modern society. Every year, almost 800,000 people commit suicide. Many factors can lead to suicide. For example, personal issues such as hopelessness, severe anxiety, impulsiveness, social factors, and previous suicide attempts, etc. So we propose a solution using machine learning algorithm on textual datasets. Early detection and treatments are regarded as one of the most effective ways to prevent suicidal ideation and potential suicide attempts. In this project, we propose a solution for early detection of suicidal thoughts for social media posts. We created an API to expose our model, trained model, which can be used for the detection of suicidal severity of social media post. This API takes text post as input and predict whether the post contains suicidal thoughts or it is neutral and take them accordingly. We created our ML machine learning pipeline using ML run library. Here is the ML pipeline flow chart. We have explained each and every step in detail in our project. Please refer to our GitHub repo and DevPost project or DevPost project to understand each step in detail. Demo time. So before starting demo, please take a look at the project details so as to better understand the demo. So the demo is divided into three parts: testing deployed pipeline on Heroku server, retraining of model using dataset collected at inference time, retraining the model using bulk dataset. So let's hop up to the let- let's hop up to the Heroku server. So here you can see you can use this link to test by yourself also. We have created this front end to demonstrate the applicability of our model. We also included some examples. You can see here we can copy these and use for the testing of our API. Let's paste it here and start and submit it. As you can see, our model has predicted this post as a suicidal. So let's take another example. Again, you can see our model has predicted the post as a neutral. Now let's take a look at retraining demo using the dataset stored during the testing time. So as you can see here, I have started the Flask server before so as to save some of the time that is used in the retraining of the model. So let's use our API locally hosted two times. So here it is. So the same example, let's take this example and use it two times. Now let's take a look at the backend. You can see we have entered a limit of 2, after which we have defined a limit of 2 samples, after which the model will train again. So as you can see that our pipeline has started again. The dataset is being fetched, is being stored to MongoDB Atlas, and the fetch API has started. Here you can see the data transformation has begun. Now the training has begun. MLN help us to take cognizance of this log so that we are not focused on the pipeline issues. We can focus on the on making our model better. Once the model training is done, the pipeline itself chooses the best model suited for our problem. So as you can see here, it has selected SGT as the model. So now we can easily use our newly trained model. Now let's take a look at another retraining example that can be used by doing a bulk training. So let's go to the API. /bulk training. So you can see here that we have a similar UI. We can choose a CSV file. I have chosen this testing file. This testing file contains 10 different samples. Now you will see after submitting, you will see that in the backend it will take step by step and upload those samples to the MongoDB Atlas, and then the pipeline start again, and the retraining of model will start again. Now let's take a look. As you can see here, it started pushing to the database. The 10 examples have been pushed to the database, and the ML pipeline has started again. Yeah, as you can see here, the data is being fetched from the MongoDB Atlas database. And now the data transformation has begun. It's a similar process as we have seen in the previous one. After that, the model will be trained again. Both model will be trained again, and the best model will be chosen for the first time. All our codes are available. All our code that we have used here are available on GitHub, and the documentation and explanations are also available on DevPost project as well as on GitHub. As you can see, when the training is completed, it will tell us that training is completed. All the project documentations are available here. You can see and look what else we have done. Thank you for listening us. Hope you like our project.